Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to prevent the group owner, including yourself, from posting stories in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Telegram Web. Log into your account as usual. Once you're in, look at your chat list and find the group where you are the owner. Click to open that group's chat window. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's name. Click on the group name to bring up the group's info panel. Here, you'll notice an edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil, near the top right. Click on this edit icon to access the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several options for managing your group. Look for the section labeled Administrators, and click on it. This section lists everyone who has admin rights in your group, including yourself as the owner. Now, find your own name in the list, typically marked as Owner. Click on your name to open the permissions settings for the owner account. Here, you'll see a range of toggles for what the owner can and cannot do in the group. Look for the option labeled Post Stories. To prevent yourself, the group owner, from posting stories, simply disable this feature by clicking the toggle next to Post Stories so it turns off. Once you've disabled Post Stories, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You have now successfully prevented the group owner from posting stories in your Telegram group through Telegram Web on your PC. This new update gives you more control over group content and helps you keep your group focused and organized. If you ever want to allow story posting again, just follow these steps and re-enable the option. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates.